Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert daily data into monthly or even yearly data. So we collect data from irrigation departments or meteorological departments, and if it is in daily data we often need to convert daily data into monthly data or into yearly data to analyze the changes, because it is in very long term. uh, we have long term data for at least 30 years, 50 years. So when we make trends, daily data does not make any sense, so we need to convert into daily data or annual data formats. So we can do it in different languages, but today I will show you how to do it in R, and I will use a package XTS. uh, you can do it even using other packages like Zoo, but I will use XTS today. So I have collected data. It is synthetic. I have changed it because I don't have any permission to uh, public the real data here. So I have changed it, so you can say it is synthetic data. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature, precipitation in millimeter, and wind speed in meter per second. So I have only 2 years of data from 1st January 1980 to December 31st 1981. Now I will change it. I will convert this daily data into monthly and yearly data using XTS package. So first, RM, this will remove all the variables which are shown in the here in the environment. So first I will run this line, and you see that all the variables are gone. And then you need to load libraries. Here I will load library XTS and read Excel, because the data which I am using in Excel format. So I will load these two libraries here, library XTS and library read Excel. And then set WD is basically used to set working directory. So I have D, and in D drive training folders and aqua crop here. And then I'm using read Excel to actually read the Excel data. So I have data badin dot xlsx, and I have you can see here there are different sheets. I'm working with the model data, so sheet is equal to model data. So I am reading Excel data and a specific sheet of model data here. So you can work set working directory is done, and my data is I have read the data, and then I want to see the first 6 rows of the data. So you can see here, you can do by head of my data here, head of my data, and this command is used to see dimension dim. So 731 rows and 5 columns here. There are 5 columns and 731 rows. Okay, and now here I have date here defined, but sometimes when we extract data we don't have date here. Here I have date, but because I am working with the precipitation data, so I will extract this data from this sheet. So I need to define date here. So 1981 1st January, and then by day length out 731 days because I have only 731 rows of data. And then the value, this Kawa daily precipitation, here Kawa daily precipitation, which I have already run this line, so I have Kawa daily precipitation, but I need only this data, not the first headers row, so I don't need to extract it. So 1 to 731, let us run this and see how what we get. So this is date and then value. We don't need we don't have Kawa. Oh sorry, I have not run this file. So Kawa daily precipitation, my data, here Excel file, my data, all rows and fourth column. So let me show you all data in fourth column because I am going to explore precipitation data only. So first, second, third and fourth column. So here my data, this file, and only fourth column. And then I want to see head. You can see the first 6 rows and then dimension of this data 731 rows and 1 column. So I have extracted precipitation data out of this data. And then I'm now going to define date, and now here daily model data using XTS package. So I will write XTS value here, which I have extracted data in order by date. So let us see what we get. Now you can see that 1st January 1980 and onward. Here if you want to aggregate data, daily data into monthly format, so you can do so. Apply.monthly daily model data here and sum. So you will get monthly data. Let us see if we have got. So you can see here all the monthly data, January, February, March, and like this. So this is the sum of all monthly data. And if you want to convert this aggregate into annual data, yearly data, you can apply.yearly. Here we were doing apply.monthly, and here we can do apply.yearly daily model data. This is data and convert into sum. So we want total precipitation in a particular year. So here you can see that 1981 precipitation, total precipitation was 470, and in 81 we had only 94 millimeter of precipitation. And if you want to get average of it, average monthly data, so you can write here mean instead of sum. So you will get daily mean data in monthly format, and if you want to get daily average data for a particular year, you can write down mean, MEAN, instead of sum. I hope you enjoyed learning this, converting daily data into monthly and into yearly data using XTS package in R.